Today I'm making a short video for you in case you forgot how Ebsco worked or you missed the instruction given to you by Mrs. Green. If you look at my page here, I'm at your live binder. This is your American Research paper live binder. If you will come over here and go to sources, you will notice there is a tab here that says Ebsco. Any of these live binders have what are called sub-tabs. You click on Ebsco, it takes you right here to the Ebsco main page. In case you forget, the password or user ID is Alva. Password is goldbugs, all lowercase. Log in. All right, now over here you have your multiple choices of different types of databases. For the purpose of this particular tutorial, we're going to go ahead and deal with EBSCOhost Web. You click on that. Now remember, you have a choice of multiple different sources over here, services, etc., that exist. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to look at just Academic Search Premier. You can actually select or deselect all databases any way what you see fit, but right now we're going to focus on Academic Search Premier. So let's go ahead and click that and click Continue. All right, now you have down here, there's a couple of things that you need to make sure that you're clicking every time you search EBSCO. Default will go to Find All My Search Terms. Let's click the Boolean phrase. Also, let's click to Full Text. Okay, you can also limit your searches down here if you want to dates, different types of sources, periodicals, newspapers, books, etc. For the purpose of this, we're going to leave all those unselected. So we're going to come up here and we're going to start a search. We're going to type in John F. Kennedy, okay, as the first term, and we're going to look up and legacy. Okay, so we have two different searches. Now, when your Boolean phrase is selected, it will search for these things together. It will not try to search for them separately. So let's click search. Okay, and you'll notice here that I have a total of 117 sources located. It's looking for John F. Kennedy and legacy, full text everything. Here it tells you the oldest article being 1964, the newest being 2014. If you come down here, you'll see 60 magazines, 24 newspapers, 23 reviews, 7 academic journals, and 1 trade publication. So you know right off the bat that all of these are accurate academic sources. We're going to go ahead and use this one as an example. We're going to click on here. You'll see down here, you'll see all your source information. You'll see originally where it was published. You'll see the different terms. Now remember, this abstract right here, this is not your source information. This is not what you cite in your paper. This is not what you use in your paper. This just is a summary of what the article is about. If you look over here, you will see where it says full text. We're going to click on that. And here we go. I get the full text of this particular article. So it looks like it's from a book. So you have a large amount of information here that you can go through. So you would print this off, read through it, and highlight any pertinent information that might apply to the biography of Kennedy, his legacy, people associated with him, any of those terms that I have given you that exist. Up here you have some options. Okay? You already had the folder option that Mrs. Green told you about. You have the sign-in option. We're going to look at this download option here. We're going to click this, download PDF. And you will see that it downloads it to my computer as a separate page. From this point in time, you have everything right here on your computer, and this is bookmarkable just like anything might be. So you can add a bookmark if you want. Notice it pops right up here. And you can have this article to look at. You'll need to print off all of your sources regardless. So you can save them, bookmark them, whatever, but when you're done, you're going to have to print them off and turn them in. Okay, let's go back. Let's try another one that's not PDF full text. Okay, here we go. Assessing a legacy still in progress. And this may or may not be a good one about Kennedy. Yes, legacy of late President John F. Kennedy. You'll notice down here that this one is full text all on its own. There is no separate link, separate article for it. Now, if you click on HTML full text, it'll bring up this page, but there is no way of accessing it outside of this particular website. Your print options are right over here. So if you click print, you want to make sure that you pick your citation format as MLA, and you'll click the print button, and notice they'll give you choices here. My printer being English 3. I'll click print, and all of these particular pieces of information are right here. I can highlight this, go through it, and my citation is also right here. in the correct format. Remember to double check these to make sure that they are accessible. Finally, you'll notice this says persistent link to this record. If you click on that, it will actually take you back to the original page so you can see where everything is located. Last piece of information that I want to share with you as you're looking through this, try to find articles that are relevant or pertinent versus something that might be older. That's not saying that your older sources are bad. They just might not be as relevant or current as some new ones. That's your quick tutorial on Ebsco. If you guys need some more help, information on that, then it will be available to you. Sorry, change that. One thing else, over here you'll notice where it says Cite. If you click that, this actually will also give you your MLA citation right here as well, which we'll go over on how to put that into your works cited bibliography page a little bit later. So it's good information to have. That will save you some time. Later.